In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image outside of cells in Google Sheets. This technique can really come in handy if you want to add visual elements to your sheets without them being confined to a specific cell. Maybe you've started working with images in Google Sheets and realize they're often stuck within cells unless you take extra steps. Well, today we're going to tackle that issue together, and you'll learn how to place images freely over your sheets, gaining more flexibility for your projects. Now, let's imagine you already have an image snugly fit inside a cell. You might think that's the only option, but there's actually a way to liberate that image, allowing it to float over your table and join the spreadsheet wherever you like. The first thing you'll want to do is to click on the cell currently housing your image. Make sure it's selected. You'll usually notice a highlight around the cell, indicating that it's the one you're working with. Once you're certain you've got the right cell, go ahead and right-click on it. This action brings up a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to find and hover over where it says Image to reveal additional options. Next, click on Put Image Over Cells. This may sound simple, but it's surprisingly powerful. With just this select few clicks, your image is now free to roam across your spreadsheet. You can click and drag it wherever you want, resizing as necessary to fit your needs better. This method is fantastic because it keeps your data intact, letting your images enhance your sheet without getting in the way. But what if you want to place a new image over your cells? That's just as easy. Start by going up to your menu bar and finding the Insert tab. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu with several options. Navigate to and select Image. Now look for the option that says Insert Image Over Cells. Once you pick this, you'll be prompted to upload an image from your device or grab one through other image source options. Make your choice, upload the image, and just like that, your image will appear neatly on top of your spreadsheet. By not being embedded in any cell, it's free to be moved around wherever it best suits the layout of your data. And there you have it, 2 simple but effective ways to manage images in your Google Sheets. This method gives you the control to use images more flexibly in your documents, greatly enhancing how your spreadsheets can look and function. I hope you found this guide useful and that it inspires you to get creative with your spreadsheets.